Have you ever wondered why your cat sneezes? While the occasional catachoo is totally normal, there are some interesting reasons behind it. First, like us, cats sneeze to clear out irritants from their noses. Dust, pollen, or even a strong smell can trigger a sneeze to protect their respiratory system. But sneezing can also hint at other issues. If your cat sneezes frequently, it might be due to a respiratory infection. This could be a feline cold caused by viruses or bacteria. Allergies can also be a culprit. Cats can be sensitive to pollen, mold, or even scented candles and cleaners. Finally, dental problems can sometimes lead to sneezing due to inflammation that affects their sinuses. So, while a random sneeze isn't a big deal, if it's constant or comes with other symptoms, it's a good idea to check with your vet to keep your kitty healthy and sneeze-free.